Hey guys!
Hey guys!
It's Martí
and Babu,
and today we're going to Madrid.
Valencia! In our 24 hours of Valencia, we'll be exploring the city center and the beach, hitting around 20 spots along the way. So let's better get started. After some thorough research, we took the train from Madrid to Valencia, and it was a great choice. We recommend option number 1 or 3. Our tickets were just around 15 euros. Few last steps, and we are finally in. After about a 2-hour train ride, we arrived in Valencia, just a few days after the Fallas festival, a time of giant sculptures, fireworks, and non-stop celebrations. With over 300 days of sunshine and beautiful beaches, this city is the perfect mix of history and relaxation. One of the first things we've noticed when we arrived was the amazing smell of oranges, literally everywhere. Some trees were still in bloom, while others were full of fruit. If you're in Valencia, you have to try horchata, and Orxateria de Santa Catalina is a place you definitely need to visit. To enjoy it like a local, get it with fartons, which is a sweet, long pastry, and here they serve them plain or with chocolate or crema filling. This historic spot has been serving horchata for 200 years. It's a drink made from tiger nuts, naturally sweet, refreshing, and apparently healthy too. Some people are also ordering churros, but honestly, go for the fartons.
Alright, so we are at Orxateria, Chocolateria, Santa Catalina in Valencia. I ordered 3 fartons, one of each type, so regular with chocolate with cream. Babu ordered a regular farton, and I ordered hot chocolate, and Babu ordered horchata. I don't know which one is more traditional, but these fartons are much better than the ones we tried last time.
So, we have a normal farton, looks like this. And let's dip it inside of the horchata. The hot chocolate is banger. They also have those filled with chocolate. Imagine. Those ones are the best. And this one is con crema. Both the one with crema and the chocolate are 100 out of 10. Those are just pure luxury. The hot chocolate is delicious. The horchata was better yesterday, but this one's still good.
And now, with our bellies full, let's continue our tour. Just a quick stop at La Finca més Estreta d'Europa, which is the narrowest building in Europe. Next, Plaça Redona, a hidden gem in the old town. Built in 1840, this unique circular square was once a bustling marketplace, and today it's filled with craft and souvenir stalls. And now, Iglesia de San Martí, one of Valencia's oldest churches built in the 14th century.
Originally Gothic, it later got Baroque additions, creating a unique blend of styles. We are heading to perhaps the most important part of the city, so listen carefully. Plaça de la Reina is in the heart of Valencia's old town. This iconic square is home to the stunning Valencia Cathedral, which houses the famous Holy Grail, and the Nicolau Tower, offering incredible views of the city. Finally, we're at the Valencia Cathedral. This stunning Gothic cathedral contains the famous Holy Grail, traditionally believed to be the cup used by Jesus Christ at the Last Supper. While its authenticity is debated, it remains a symbol of great religious and historical significance. This is the Water Court of Valencia. It's one of the oldest institutions in Europe, dating back to the 10th century. It oversees the fair distribution of water from Albufera to the farmers in the region. It's all located on Plaça de la Mare de Déu, one of the most beautiful squares in the city. We've arrived just a few days after Fallas, a vibrant festival that celebrates Saint Joseph with spectacular fireworks, parades, and giant sculptures. This is a stunning Baroque-style basilica built in the 17th century, dedicated to the Virgin of the Forsaken. This is a place we highly recommend. Serrans Towers. Built in the 14th century, these medieval towers were once part of the city's ancient wall and served as a gateway. You can climb to the top for stunning views of the city and its surroundings, which were super impressive. Let's go! Let's go! And now, my favorite area and some good coffee. El Carmen is one of Valencia's most vibrant and historic neighborhoods. Known for its narrow, winding streets and colorful street art, it blends medieval architecture with modern touches. The area is full of good cafes, making it perfect for the two of us. And look now where we are, MESTIZO. That's exactly what we needed. It's a trendy cafe known for its high quality, locally sourced coffee beans, amazing brunches, and delicious tapas.
We stopped at the Cafe MESTIZO to grab some coffee. It's good, but it's not very sweet.
What is it?
A chai latte. It's very milky, like not very chai-y. Ooh, I think you're gonna like it.
We got a chai latte and a cappuccino with soy milk. Yeah, Marty's right. I don't think they use full fat milk. I think it's just like skim milk or something. So it's not very creamy, and also it's very light on the spices. And this is the cappuccino that looks beautiful. By the way, the latte art is very cute.
I mean, that's not really latte. This isn't a latte art.
Yeah,
this is just like
this is a
cocoa art.
This is wonderful, and they were rated super well, so that's why we stopped by. And yeah, the cappuccino is delicious. This we wouldn't order again.
Just a few more stops before we finally get our food. Or let's get some yummy snack now. Oop. We are still in the El Carmen area, now admiring this beautiful church built in the 13th century. Onto La Loña de la Seda, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the best examples of a Gothic civil architecture in Europe. Built in the 15th century, it was once the Silk Exchange. The building features stunning arched windows, the impressive wall of columns, and intricate sculptures. Also, did you see the Naranja Garden? Impressive. Okay, I'm hungry now, let's get some food. This is what I'm talking about. We are at the Central Market of Valencia, one of the largest and oldest fresh food markets in Europe. The building itself is a masterpiece of modernist architecture with colorful titles, stained glass, and an impressive iron structure. Inside you'll find endless stalls with fresh produce, meats, seafood, and local delicacies, making it a paradise for Babu and Martí. And now let's get something refreshing, something crunchy, and something sweet. Aigües de Valencia is a famous local cocktail made with gin, vodka, cava, which is Spanish sparkling wine, and orange juice. Though we don't drink alcohol, we still very much enjoy this sweet, refreshing drink in the sunny weather. And now, Nuevo Oslo el Rey de Esmorzaret, a traditional spot for esmorzaret, the classic Valencia breakfast. It's basically a hearty sandwich filled with lots of stuff, mainly meat. We ordered the classic combo medio almuerzo for 7.5 euros, where you get a half a big sandwich, a soft drink, beer or wine, and a coffee. We got 2 sandwiches, chivito with pork loin, cheese, lettuce, mayo, eggs, bacon, and sliced tomatoes, and one with chicken, patatas, and pepper sauce. My favorite was the chivito one, but they are both delicious and huge. Yummy! Finally here, I kid you not, this is one of my most favorite cafes in the world now. DDL Boutique, aka Dulce de Leche.
Very cool design.
They have 2 spots in the city, but we recommend the one farther south. It's a super cozy, stylish cafe with a fantastic selection of coffee, pastries, brunch options, and mostly desserts. The atmosphere is super welcoming and we just absolutely adored it. We are already planning our next trip to Valencia just because of this. I mean, I'm kidding. Actually, not that much.
Are delicious, as I hoped.
We got a salmon bagel, which is breathtaking, and then we got a chai latte and a cappuccino. This is the chai latte. Oh my god, this is one of the best chai lattes I've had in Spain. This is so good. Cappuccino. Not one of the best coffees I've had in Spain, but it's still so good. We want to live in this cafe. It's just breathtaking.
Yup, this is our last stop for the day. What better way to end the day than on the beach? Malvarosa Beach is a beautiful stretch of golden sand with a relaxed vibe, perfect for watching the sunset or watching people playing volleyball. Or what we saw is this free dance class, so of course we had to join, and please pardon our dance technique. I don't know what that was, but it was real fun. So this is the end of the video. We hope you guys had as much fun as we did and that you'll find our 24-hour guide through Valencia useful. We try to cover as much as possible, but of course there's so much more to see. There's one more Valencia video coming up soon with the second half of our guide, so stay tuned. Bye!